Hey, I told you I was going to share a video with you that derived the formula for the area of a cone, and that's what I intend on doing. So first we are going to take the area bounded by the line y equals mx, x equals 0, and x equals h. We're going to rotate that about the x-axis. So y equal to mx, we'll go to some x equal to h, and we're going to rotate that. So the formula for finding solids of revolution is we take pi, and we're going to multiply by the integral from 0 to h of mx squared. We're going to integrate that with respect to x. First off, m squared is just a number, so I'm going to pull it out front, and I have pi times m times the integral from 0 to h of x squared dx. An antiderivative of x squared is x cubed over 3. So we will put x cubed over 3 in some square brackets with 0 and h there, meaning we're going to evaluate it at h and 0. So we have pi times m times x cubed over 3 minus 0 cubed over 3. Oops, excuse me, not x cubed. H, we substitute h in there, so we have h cubed over 3 minus 0 cubed over 3, which is pi times m times h cubed over 3. And now we're going to just do a little bit of arranging here. I'm going to, I made a mistake. M squared, 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 squared. Okay, this is why you write things down. Okay, you guys, next year when you're doing complicated stuff, if you don't write things down and you make mistakes, you're not going to be able to find your mistakes. You're going to have to start over. So, do that. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it as pi over 3, and then I'm going to write mh squared times h. All right, I have cubes here, so I just pulled the 3 over here and rewrote it a little bit. And I do that because notice that if I am to rotate this thing around, like so, what is its radius? What is this distance here? Oh, the slope is m, and we're at x equal h. So mh is the height or the radius of the base. So we have pi over 3 r squared 8. Well, let's write it like this. I like to write it with the rational numbers out front, so I'm going to write 1/3 pi r squared h. And there you go. That is the formula for the volume of a cone. All right. If you take mx plus b, and so we will maybe, for this case, assume that b is positive, and then we have something like this, and we'll come to some h. And now rotate that thing around, you will find the formula for the volume of what is called a frustum. Is it a frustum or a fustum? I think it's a frustum. I can never remember that word. I think it's that one. Frustum. This is a frustum. It's a right cone with a piece added to it, right? So you really already have this part. When you rotate this part around, that area is going to be the same, right? It's going to be pi 1/3 pi r squared h. And so add this part to it. I challenge you to try to do that. Try to set up an integral and see if you can derive the formula for a frustum. Hey, that was the last assignment. I have a feeling that none of you will see this video Most of you will not see this video. That's okay. I still love you. It's been a long semester and we're finally to the end. We learned a lot of math. I am not the type of person that sends out mass kind of emails and telephone calls and text messages to tell you how much I love you and how much I'm going to miss you. I will do it when I see you. Probably. Most likely. It's been fun. I appreciate it. We've learned a lot together in the last 5 years. I feel that you've taught me more probably than I have taught you. My learning to you is in a context of a math, so it's easy for you to say, oh, look how much you've taught us. You guys have taught me a lot about all kinds of other things. So thank you for the person that watches this video, especially. I know